Programming your 2007 GMC Yukon. Key fob DIY guide. Lost or need to add a key fob to your 2007 GMC Yukon? Good news, you can likely program it yourself. This process relies on the Yukon's immobilizer system, passkey 3 or 4, and a compatible fob. First, get a compatible OEM fob, part number 1592217, or a reliable aftermarket option. Enter your vehicle with your existing programmed key. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Simultaneously, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob for about 15 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock, indicating synchronization. If programming multiple fobs, repeat this process, cycling the ignition off and then on again between each fob. Finally, test each fob by locking, unlocking, and starting the vehicle. Remember, mismatched fobs can cause lockouts, so ensure compatibility. Use an OBD2 scanner like Innova or Blue Driver for troubleshooting, especially if you encounter issues. Many DIYers achieve success over 80% following these steps. While DIY programming is often successful, here's what to do if things go wrong. If the doors don't unlock after holding the buttons, double-check the fob's battery and ensure it's compatible with your 2007 Yukon. An OBD2 scanner can help diagnose issues, displaying trouble codes like B3055 if there's a receiver problem. Avoid power disruptions during programming to prevent body control module (BCM) resets. A common mistake is forgetting to reprogram after a battery replacement. Always reprogram after changing the battery. For complex issues, especially with multiple fobs, consider consulting a professional mechanic to avoid costly BCM repairs. Remember to recycle old fobs responsibly. GM's eCycle program offers free disposal. Keep in mind that while newer cars use smartphone keys, your 2007 Yukon relies on the physical fob, and this programming method remains effective.